This is the carbon emissions measuring the risk. That was is the most recent one for the public health and safety company. Everybody of you know this logo. And Trustco. Well, there are companies from the United States, and they take an example from S&P 500 industry, and it's the more recent. Let me see if I would like to share this with you. Food and beverage is the second largest CO2 emissions industry in the world. Just chemicals.
Because the agriculture? Because the agriculture.
Yes, when you go on the
Yeah, he was saying that it was 16%
now,
of the world emissions.
I'm just going to take 3 pages of the whole report so we can see. First, we are the second industry, okay? But the emissions comes from 4 points. Direct operational, so the emissions that we have in our plants. Second, electricity suppliers, the one who sell us the energy that we use. Third, one first tire suppliers, and the last one, all other supply chains. Just the direct operational and the electricity suppliers represent a 50% of the whole emission of the industry. So our plants, where we produce, and the energy that we use just represent a 50% of the whole emission of the food and beverage industry. The 85% is in the supply chain. And this is the result that we have. And another interesting point is that food and beverage is the #1 industry in the consumption of water. So the water subject, we are the ones who really have to take care about it, because the water in our case represent, compared to the other industries, we are 45% more using water than the other industry. Chemicals, automobile parts, industrial goods and service, healthcare, retail, personal and household goods, chemicals. We are using 45% more water than all the other
This
industries.
addresses the whole
Value chain.
Yes.
Because you in your plant and
Yeah.
our bakeries, we're not using so much water.
Yeah, but you have
So this is coming from
the agro.
the agro,
Yeah.
mainly.
Yeah,
That means that we need to do something on the agro.
yeah, indeed.
Let's say we have some of our bakeries that we are, the output of water is 1 liter, 1.5 liters per second. So 60 to 90 liters by hour.
But on parcel side, the water consumption is higher with the potato process, etc.
And we have the water plant treatment system. So we recycle most of the water. But in the whole cycle, yes, the main problem is the
Pretty much it's going to be the same if you look at the supply chain, which is the carbon footprint. No? But again, I think the challenge is how we set up an agenda to present a big part of the discussions in Cancun, talking about the commitment, targets, as well as the government support and our best practices sharing.